I broke my virginity in my first year at varsity at CPUT. I was staying in Afghanistan at Catsville. Ooh, the H block. I had my first drink in varsity.
Oh wow.
That's why I love a good drink. So even breaking my virginity was in varsity. I still remember that guy and I hate that guy. He's so dark. Oh boy, called pitch black. If you're watching,
usazigobela zalines okara uvula ngazi show.
I remember them.
Khao Joseph.
Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to Hectic. Good bad name, that's Tino Shobotala. Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to your favorite kids show, Hectic 99.
Mhlawumbe zizibi challenges ohlangana odibana nazo kulomkhakha wakho. Uma ke uyi-gay guy.
Remember, I was the first openly gay presenter. I never said on Hectic I was gay. Never.
Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. It helps a lot. Don't forget to watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, guys. It does something on YouTube too. And also like the video. If you like the video, it's gonna go to more suggestions because in YouTube zabanye bantu. And also please comment what's your favorite episode or what do you see in this platform that you love. And also you can press the join button. You get the badge, you get exclusive content and also members only content.
Oh, iswakala nganeno yangoba ufuna ukuphoswa yilento usikuphathela okuhle kodwa ngena.
But I usually don't like those like Xhosa hip hop.
Yeah, probably.
What do you like, man?
Ola sokola that thing that eka phakathi ode tabaleke khaya ndafika into se oh god.
That's right beat.
Huh?
Can I beat? You don't get see that.
Manya, the only thing about poverty rap, that cool and is crazy.
No, most yeah. But
God, can't they just rap about being lavish and nice and just being fabulous?
bad talk and what awukwazi urapper ngento ongenayo.
You see, you said I'm loud.
Sorry.
So the show button man, this.
Yawa, sipha amandla yawo.
Basho yawa.
Wathi uyawa yena.
Yawa.
Zange iwe yona.
Iyawa lembe.
You the way you pronounce it. Yawa.
Yawa who sends.
Yawa. Yawa.
Nothing real, nothing else.
Yawa. Yawa.
Let me make sure.
Yawa busy.
Yawa easy.
Yathi wala kasa woto.
Azi abaflas.
Yashwa bani. Ayede.
They were always zero.
Ayede.
You must ask the past partners, previous partners, what happened?
I think
my
goodness.
Oh my god.
As I
How many do you have? How many exes do you have?
Body count? Zisuka nje.
Yo, this is quite tricky. There's someone who's gonna watch it. I don't have body count.
But what?
You must be real.
You must be, I mean, come on. The realist. You must be real. No, but he said to me, here, you guys don't lie.
We don't lie.
Because I was asking
We don't lie.
am I loud? And that's you have. They didn't think twice about it. But yes, you are loud.
You are
I put counts as if 5.
Yeah, talk.
Honestly.
5.
Huh.
How old are you?
I'm 33.
And you 5 body counts? Never.
Never.
When did you break your virginity?
Around what year is it now?
2025.
Around 2019.
2019. You're a liar.
And I've
Liar. Such a liar.
I've been faithful. Koledengo.
Oh, no wonder. But also, you know what? Also with me, I'm a late bloomer.
Okay.
Yes, I broke my virginity in my first year at varsity at CPUT. I was staying in Afghanistan at Catsville. Ooh, the H block. I had my first drink in varsity.
Oh wow.
That's why I love a good drink. So even breaking my virginity was in varsity. I still remember that guy and I hate that guy. He's so dark. Uboy kung pitch black. Ngefana le coke inside. If you're watching,
Komxhosa.
yes.
And I see now.
Hosanas to
I
style.
see why we talking horror.
Ayanda ngicela sikwamukele manje
Oh,
eshowini.
sorry. Are we running? Sorry, Bonani. How you doing? I want that sound. Nobody. Let me hear it, but you say.
Yes. Stop preparing for that shit.
That's my unilation. And you unilate?
And
Eh, what's you say?
I'm a tantaka.
I want some.
let's welcome you kweshowini. Hello njani?
DRP, like them great. None bad. Nijani,
Yo, silekere sibahle. Noba
So today I'm being sandwiched. If you guys don't know the voice behind the mic, it's some other hot guy. Are you single?
I'm not singing.
You're not single. You're taken.
I'm taken. I don't know. I'm not taken for granted. I'm taken.
I'm single, ready to mingle, but I have Mali, Tani Mali.
Oh my God.
Can you tell us a bit about tell us more about yourself? Like, who is Ayanda?
Oh, who is Ayanda Makuzeni? It's a brand. Ayanda Makuzeni is a broadcaster. I love entertainment. I love it. I live it. I wake up. I live in the moment. I just love to entertain. I think it's my passion. It's my calling from a young age. I remember seeing pictures of mine at my late grandma's house, Kwalanga. There were pictures of me standing in front of a television. Growing up, I used to switch off a TV so the attention can be on me. So now that's what I am basically is a person that just loves to entertain. A happy person, a very happy. Never a dull moment. I am the party myself. Yeah. Vibrant, colorful, outgoing, loves people, hate exes. I don't think they should exist. Once you date someone and they become an ex, they should be deleted permanently. Permanent.
Yo, Jalo J. And how do you identify yourself, and how does it mean to you?
How do I identify myself in terms of my gender? Okay, I am a them, there, she or he, depends. In fact, I'm transgender, but gender comes last. It's all about who am I inside. Gender should be the last thing. It's like when you go for auditions, they shouldn't even ask about your gender, sexuality. That should be the last thing, and like we should see a person as who they are, because once you start saying ngubani na as your gender, then there's judgment, because they seek something different, because they expect you to look a certain way when you're saying you're a she, but you end up looking like a ooh. Are you sure? Are you sure? My identity is that, gender non-conforming. That's why I'm like, I belong everywhere. It depends how I wake up that morning, how I feel. If the sky is blue, I'll be blue. If the sky is grey, I am grey.
Powerful.
And your childhood, maybe if you can take us through childhood yakho ibinjani khuleni kwakho.
Oh, my childhood. I was raised by my grandmothers, and they both loved me. They loved me. And because my mom and my dad, my late dad, and my mom is like 63, but you wouldn't tell that you were not 63 because we're 800. I think fashion if many park way.
Fashion says kumama.
And dad, my dad was super stylish.
Okay.
My dad was super stylish. My mom is super stylish. So each childhood, the colleague family be not handle. I think that's where I have inherited that. A confidence, so like family, so I family, I'm family.
Okay.
Yeah, where tando, caring, very confident. I've learned that from my family. Can't call it everything I into. I went to good schooling. Like even my crash was in time. Stepping stones, and then I went to Tamburu School, and then comes behind the Kalelokshin. So you can imagine the inspiration I would get like traveling. Then Kulebalanga, and then my parents bought a house at Kayalich. So you can imagine the traveling from Ikhalija, Ukwele, train or bus, or take down, and then from a town of Pino Kwele. Like even some most people get to take another taxi or even walk through Company Gardens. Like already, that's why I love portraying characters. You find inspiration from such things. I was inspired, but growing up, I was inspired, even still am inspired by many things. And it played a big role in becoming who I am today.
Ooh, mhlawumbe just nje ucakisela abantu mhlawumbe before uzocakisela ba uye waziveza ba nini ubumi bakho but ngokukhula
The day I was born, when I saw a male doctor, God, woo! I didn't cry because I'm like, oh my God, I'm here. Why am I here? I saw that cute doctor in Somerset West. Somerset, I'm like, what? Who is this honey? That's what I knew. And then when I went to a nurse, a female nurse, I'm like, I want to go to the doctor.
like in a serious note.
Guys, you know what? I didn't have to sit down my parents and sit them down. That's it. Okay, guys, been put me in the closet. Zada, my closet, because why should I come out the closet when I have my closet?
And desires him.
Why should we be coming out of the closet? Sometimes I'm put my closet, but that pull my closet, come on, mom. I ain't closet. Like we go deep law. I don't know say any.
Essential nje bukhula ukhulele lokushini kamanje. Nje bekubona nje abanye abafana like bingekho into emhlawumbe ubhulishwe mhlawumbe kuthiwa hayi leona
movie. Zang.
But njeba wena
even my nickname from the Shomzam, the girls and the guys, but Morphy, like it depends good tone, yeah. I know Banyaman might think, oh my God, that term is derogatory. Excuse me. But to me, it depends how you say it and who says it. In good tone. Like, Morphy, like, upi. So it to me, it's like, and also sometimes, police, because we know there are so many online police. You traveling to work at school in here. Own it. Once they start pulling you, own it. Don't shy away. Stand tall in front of that person. And retaliate back. Right. And also don't be shy. Because you know what, if police start attacking you once you are not too sure of who you are. And that's why you should be confident in knowing who you are. So you don't have one in your room for them to attack you and bully you. I promise you, walk with confidence. Yo, nababindoni bemifuna ithetha kuwe bazovala umlomo bathi dwi bathi hey lo muntu uyazazi lo muntu lo. That's why you should know yourself. Osehlathini yazoxoxa ehlathini bayindoda. Uklina obelieve kuyo. Stand your ground and believe in it. I promise you, I'll come to the product then.
utsho kanjalo?
Asho njalo.
Okay, Luya ungathi nombuzo ngangani uthetha kakhulu.
Mina bese funa sose sigabadela kakhulu ne cause benifuna benomdla ulanoza ongena kwakho before ulanoza yongena ku Hectic 99 obusenza ntoni before that?
I was a waitress.
Okay, tell us Machen.
Because you know, I dropped out of varsity first year again. Because I'll tell the story. You're gonna get up along. Okay. Because I know I've got so many stories. I dropped out because I was studying fashion designing, and it costs a creative design class, meaning but you have to illustrate and sew. It's a practical course. You have to be there every single day. One Mr. Shai day one late to go. So I'm clearly a resin there PSI CPUT Cape Town campus social apart and I'm for my cheat about for way too. Okay, and I was doing campus radio. Then I'm so they figure which to wait in local chat. That way probably predator. I think
What upset.
That figured that my fellow mannequins, my head like gonna I know because if the color my petting yayo. And then the campus radio and if I tell them that they're going so could like the really Begakaya. The parlor as a waitress, a waiter, a cafe mojito at Long Street. There I was scouted. At that time I'm serving a table full of producers. And I remember her name was Rachel Daniels. Back then she was a line producer and now she went back to Amsterdam or New Zealand. I served them and she liked how I looked. And the Afro no short of paint way, that never super stylish kept like. Bow walked a lot, or below city like my so that's the parking like and the Afro skateboard, you Lord, because back then I know from this cool person, even how I spoke, I was like, yeah, dude, how's it, man? Nothing shines on, but shines on. So I served them, hey, have you ever thought of becoming a presenter? That's me, no. Because I have school disease, speech and drama. I want to be an actor to portray a character. Remember, we told earlier on, I grew up being inspired by different characters who were not different. Like translation from Ekasi, we would relate, the Cape Place, and then we say about so yeah, but inspired by about your friend. So when I'm my actor, I want to portray different characters and impersonate. And that's kind of presenting. So when you guys when I email at last time, and she said, and then they sent to me an email of auditions to present.
Wow.
Yay! I went to 7 callbacks and I got the call, I'm 14 August, to CP Tsaki Fashion Week. I find a call to Anita Rowland, who was the producer of season 1 and 2. Well, congratulations, you are one of the presenters to be on Hectic Line. I could not believe it. Kumbula Tsaki Fashion Week, ne? Tihleli dinetike nje ba khona isitolo ongena bagcwela no show. Zangoyi ayibona abantu celebrities baqona abanye ba interview abanye abantu naqona oh why this didn't get well. And yeah, when you call it walk here man, yabanjani? By next year, I will be covering Cape Town Fashion Week. And guess what? The following year, I covered Fashion Week manifestation, guys.
Wow.
So now, anyway, it's like Cafe Mojito. I got scouted because of the song to be true to yourself, be who you are. Don't pretend, don't be fake. Anyway, live your moments, my darling.
Wow.
You never know that moment who will see you, who will scout you. Be you. Always be you. Don't switch off.
Powerful.
Wow. So they scouted me a cafe in Mojito.
Wow, lento yavela yaza kuwe.
Yaza kuwe.
Played.
Yeah, nothing ngeplate but yamfumana emsebe khona
oh fabulous, oh super stylish, that's who I am. And I think they loved my voice and they were funny presenters that will have Umtsalane. Because Kumbula, we're a brand new show. First ever live TV show from Cape Town. Expresso came after us. So we were the first live TV show. After, because now we were to compete with YoTV, Crazy E, Net, KTV, and other kids television shows. We had to compete, so they had to bring in strong characters to be on the show every single day live.
Wow.
So mhlambe khawusiqalele mhlambe the first day uqala ngayo kwakunjani?
Yo, we went through a training intense because we had to go live and we need earpiece lapane. So every time the episode would taper. So my first episode, I was the first presenter to go live on the 1st of October 2007. The show back then was 24 minutes. So for the earpiece, so director, that's where they tell you camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. You've got 30 seconds left to go. While I'm talking, and I'm interviewing you, and you've got 30 seconds left to look to your left. Don't forget to ask ABC. I had a link to a UGC or link already was a script on a script, but not there's no auto cue. Dallas City, I had to do director. My director was Charlie. Director Chunk. So yeah, na why is it in the camera 1? So I'm gonna Lorian, no Tisha Simona sit. What's that? Okay, camera 1. All right. So after the break, we have ABC or DFG. So to remember, camera 1. Oh, so remember, guys, to call us on. So I would be responding to the director live on television. Oh, lo episode isekhona namhlanje ku YouTube. Ngasa bayi 3 minutes.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Ayi wine, ayi wine.
Tell them. Mhlawumbe Joga, I know izinto zokuqala siyathanda uzigcina even if uyathanda uyimemorize yithini usazikhombela za lines zokuqala uvula ngazi show.
I remember them.
Cow Joseph.
Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to Hectic. Bad name, that's Tosho Dala. Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to your favorite kids show, Hectic 99.
Usazikhombela za lines zokuqala uvula ngazi show.
I remember them.
Cow Joseph.
Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to Hectic. Bad name, that's Tosho Dala. Good afternoon, I'm Zansi, and welcome to your favorite kids show, Hectic 99. With us, you can write to us on our snail mail or go on to Facebook, guys. We are on Facebook. Like our page. 083 Nakum to San 913 Nakum to San 309 Nakum to San. Don't forget the password. Uber.
What? Wow.
Oh my.
Wow.
That thing not
Oh my head.
This is a
And 10 years.
10 years on the straight. The energy.
I've never been fired from all my TV shows.
Wow.
I'm the one who decides to resign.
Wow.
Because I'm protecting my brand. Even the last show I did, Uri Style My Style, where we go around and renovate rooms. It's about surprise. Where the kids don't pay money. We just go in and just surprise them. Now, I did 2 seasons, and that's in when I accepted the award. And the show won a Best Kids Television Youth Show, I mean. And this after that, I'm done now. And I remember I got a call from the producers for me to come back for another season. That time, Capital Guam sent. And la show is a show because la show paid a lot of money.
Wow.
And they'll get you accommodation. Everything's paid for you. Because they had to, they also scouted me. The SABC, because it was a sinking show, but it had so much potential. And they were like, we're looking for a presenter to come and rescue this particular show because it can be great. And I remember the presenter who did it. She was like, I'm done. What's this? I took over, and then the show in numbers and you numbers.
Wow.
That's Fine, hectic is there. I've been funny hectic 99 because they knew this one. Hectic. So no restyle my style. So that I did I call Brooke and then money. I turned down that offer. That's now. I don't want to do it.
Why?
Because I'm protecting my brand. And phone is a show about one. Because you guys can't keep me in box. I can go in Kubo. Zabanto wine. I forget to later. If SABC likes me, why can't they put me on the prime time slot on 6 o'clock? Because guess what they're doing now? They're playing repeats of all those shows from season 3 and 4. But there's some high seasons. It's like 2018, 2019. It's all about print. Why about that? Is an issue. I mean, there was another presenter who came after me. After Ndekile, I'm show Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, SABC 1, no 2, no 3. I'm at 4:30, 5:30. La prime time. If SABC and Tana, why can't they give me a brand new show? I know there's no money, but come on.
Wow. Yes, I remember.
Can you imagine me at 7 o'clock, prime time?
Wow.
My dear darling, I want to move back to TV. I know now things have moved to digital. Once I am on TV, my friend, I promise you, I know.
You were still there to 2011.
Yes.
I think I was also called Payan and Izile.
As a what? A presenter?
No, not as a presenter.
Oh, come on.
I was a guest. I was a guest, one of the guests.
Did I interview you?
Yeah, yes. Kwabuko the producer, I think you're good David. Is David, ne?
David,
from
I know
your TV, ne?
Eh?
He was a presenter from your TV, and then he went to Land Rover.
No, you're presenter, David.
Wait, he started as a producer,
And a producer like
you got your TV, and then was a producer. Yes. Kuseko no Lloyd.
Lloyd.
Yes, Kalamin that ipayana nan interview ngosas interview Lloyd. Yeah, so Danny Bonije nisebenza ngayo. Yeah. Wow, bro.
Up and down.
And there's no ba iscript niyenza kanjani anani mina sifumana nini okanye kwenzeka ntone. No.
Even on the day of the show, it changes. Like anything that is live TV. Wow. So now remember, from 30 minutes, if yours about 4 hour show, so by hour you have to remember the script, you have to memorize it, but also don't forget your personality. That's what I do now when I train up and coming presenters. I'm like, you get given a script in black and white. Your job and responsibility as a presenter is to be the highlighter of the script in different colors. The colors are personality. You should bring in your energy, yourself, and also be so confident. And because your confidence, it will inspire. Umuntu should be able to relate to you watching from a.
Okay.
So when as a script, you must bring in your personality and become the highlighter of that script. Sometimes it's intimidating. That's why most about them they fumble when they go and audition because whereas audition we just want to see and hear how well do you connect with the camera and as well as your delivery.
Okay.
Is your voice, your tone easy to listen to? I mean, I know your voice.
I guess.
But ngibane kukho into ekayikadithetha kuthiwa nami ndisebenze kwi-TV kakhulu as a camera operator nezinye izinto. Kukho into emana kuthiwa hey suza apha don't come here ngala energy yakwa Hectic 99 ngubantu ozona laa nto phaa kwa Hectic 99 like ingathi zimnika mouse like indlela abapresenta ngayo bafast
Like it's live TV because you're trying to. It's also entertains anyway because it can't be like this. Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Oh, yeah, I'm guy viewer.
okay
Yenza sense.
yenza sense
Hello, Flubber. Like, oh, my theory actually. Now, like I'm sure you change your channel up there, but oh, I love why be clash the TV show? Say that energy. And also, but when you're speaking so fast, you have to be able to articulate and enunciate so you can be audible to the viewers. But then sometimes, but because you're trying to be fast and then also be. Uzama ukukhetha bexesha kuthiwa 30 seconds oxesha unento engakho lithethe enyawo commercial break and then uphinde kuloo commercial kuthiwa commercial break 5 4 and FCC is not responding to us. Please talk for another minute until we get hold of FCC. Gauteng again open minute hour yothetha ke ngoku.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Lo minute
ithi
like yeah TV like 20 seconds ngaba ngathi ncinci now ayinde
nyanisile
so la i-pace plus ne-energy plus ne-delivery plus ixesha that's why abantu bathatha uhlobo so fast.
yeah but
Now balance yonke into.
yeah kodwa no but that's why you're good kangaka because you start from awuzange uqale kwezinye like pre-recorded shows live
TV
woo
live television.
waflopa ngeyiphi imini mhlawumbi khona imini oqomba yandoze ndilibale le mini le ndaflopa
I
live
think it happens a lot. Views
Aziqaphele.
yeah so yo iyaqhubeka ube brain freeze like uqonde but uma ngakwazi ubonisa ke lanto uqhubeka kuze lesi show sometimes that's why after iminyaka ne uqonde ukuthi mamela uma ndizafuna umphangela that Tuesdays go so senior presenter now because injani inhlama yamandi
Too much. Okay.
and umbi because i-makeup azohlala kahle ebusweni bakho because yonke into amehla abomvu waye energy yakho i-low yo qona lena i-hour qona yo open up 5 yes sometimes ngo ndiye toilet sanele dikale komiki nenye into sani
Nyento.
uthishe esebenza phe kitchen uthishe ambona ba uthishe uyafalo uthishe yabona yafa kuthi angena beleke nje pha main road yeka tops yoka Pick n Pay likhanthe ngelanto ka isavana manayo ndiye toilet dikale komiki qona nje ngenina le bese
Kodwa ngiselwe nje emsebenzini.
I don't get it kumnandi I have 2.5 million viewers waiting for me. So many God I give ngeta kalanto. Yeah. Ti fresh. I'm at 5 dijani phibula beqona yo. Tifuna usele cocktail ngifuna uqalisa enye nje ba ndibe height.
Phinde umpompa.
Loya
But I don't encourage that, guys.
right don't do that
Don't do that.
ubuke walapha ku-CTV ne
Yes.
recently
I was a supervising producer. I was overseeing a content.
khawutsho uba ungene njani ba khawutsho ungene njani ba
Person TV.
as a content producer utsho ne
Supervisor.
supervisor
Because I banfuna bona uKaren, who's the MD of the company, and Upel. They were looking for someone young and fresh, who's energetic and passionate about entertainment and content. And they brought me in because the experience presenting and behind the scenes. So by then, that kind of jar. Why from them?
No, andifuna ungena ngake ndicinga loo nto uba kaloku Hectic 99 and then CTV.
I know I was never on air. On air because I was like never. But Pana and as a producer, né? And then that's what. But I'm the one who came up with like daily news show.
Okay.
We were brainstorming. I was like, it needs a new current affairs show also TV. So I brainstormed. How about you host it? Okay, Sunday is a current affairs week. So now I'm going to lap on the years, but I'm going to let cool in the year and the poem.
Kuba wawubona level.
No, man, it's also because I've never done community work.
Okay.
And also CTV's community, and I would train presenters and also train up and coming producers. So I would do. So for me, Gumula is like, thank God, because I've never done community television, community radio, like that from campus radio to national television. So Gumula, it was a way of just giving back. Now, love that's 2 years, and a half. Damn.
Ngeyiphi yona nto ocinga uba i-challenge kakhulu xa uyi-present, especially you don't call yourself queer, ne? Or you call
I am queer.
Okay, queer presenter.
No, I'm not a queer presenter, I'm a presenter. Never am boss out to queer presenter. It's like saying you're a straight presenter. Hey, straight presenter.
Oh, so cool,
I'm a black queer. I'm kind of black.
I said I'm a broadcaster.
Yeah.
Not I'm a queer.
Queer brand. Mhlawumbe zeziphi challenges odibana nazo kulo mkhakha wakho?
The challenges in the industry.
Yes, kuba ke uyi-gay guy.
Remember, I was the first openly gay presenter. I never said on Hectic I was gay. Never.
Uzize ngekhathi nje.
Abantu will be like, okay, cool, because I never came out. I've never came out in any other shows I've done before. Never. Only now as an adult, I was like, hey, I'm gay. But even then, because as I made the when it comes to interviews, we'll try. So the challenges now are we producers about who have the platform. It's like in corporate companies, about to have a platform to be themselves. Yet when as an MD, as a CEO, why can't you show your true identity, your true gender, to inspire and because to for omnyo ozayilo company. What was fitly when as a person overly basang for abanye abantu. So ilendo iqala phana where broadcasters bangathi let's get uAyanda. They must see me for my talent and not for my gender, my sexuality. That should be the last thing. When I go and audition, why would they choose Boyti, who's Boyti Emhle, and then another following Engaga, because oh no, she's trans. What's trans? I mean, you must look at the talent, what this person's gonna bring. I mean, you need to make money as well. So engabadingi lokho doing we also uqasha umuntu o straight why lamntu bola ngamntu yaphora ubuhle bomuntu eTV last 2 weeks because namhlanje umuntu akamhle next week umuntu akamhle third week you need to get into nayo besides your beauty. Get into nayo. So you need to be entertaining because now as a viewer you are going to want more from this hot guy. Hot girl who's a presenter on Club 808 or Clive or Silematuzi. You must look beyond that. Not look beyond my sexuality. See me as how am I relatable to a viewer.
Powerful.
Yeah, you must look at that, at my talent and what I'll bring to the table. Not also my wig, nails, lashes. Obviously, I won't have lashes when I go to audition because I can't have things that are going to be distracting to the viewer. But in the ballet day, it's my delivery and my connection with the viewer at home. That's it. So it's most about it's about SABC, MultiChoice, hoping that they'll give abantu who are queer a platform, not just because of their gender. No, not because they are activists. It's because they are talented. Thank goodness for it digital. Now about they're creating their own content. This is another platform like you guys. This is your own platform. It's like saying we can't get obese presenters.
You see. Makes sense.
Mhlawumbe ngaphandle kopresenter ngeyiphi into oyenzayo?
Oh, it's producing. content producing. I love conceptualizing TV shows. I love it. That's my passion now. And now, because now I'm busy trying to collaborate with brands where I hoy in my ideas to collaborate. Like I can't tell him my idea. That's because an idea.
Hey, no, guys.
So, and work around the brand. So that's because I'll conceptualize a TV show, and then it's brought to you by. Like last year, because I was also the host of IFEDA Awards, and Pana Bene Road to Feathers. So also that it's like a podcast. It's on my Instagram. Follow me at aya_makuzeni. So now I would interview Abantu, the nominees. It was brought to you by Jamison. Yeah. So now I want to start having such relationships where we're having a casual chat about this nominee and the excitement. What can we expect? What are you looking for? And also get into profile you as an artist. And then
that's beautiful.
So that's what I want to do right now, is to collaborate with these brands and not just become because I'm not an influencer. I influence influencers. Aye! That's powerful. But now I'm into vlogging.
I'm going there. Because I saw something that I like from your page. And you're going around, let's talk about that one. Let's talk about that one.
I love you see, that's also an idea. It's like it's a TV show. Imagine that being on television on SABC1 or Mzansi Magic, where you go around different townships, different gases, just to go taste gassy food. Like Mamelodi, Soweto, Shoshanguve, New Brighton, Ekhayelitsha, Inyanga, like Mlazi, where you go around there and you get to not interview established businesses, where you just go to who they'll never have a platform to really talk about their business. Here am I, Zisero Mama, abathengisa upensi uthengisa iminqambulo apho nje phana nje profile, just nice and easy and quick. And now abantu are so into it because njengomama wesibindi uyandibule kho uthi jonga i-customers zakhe kuzabantu basemfuleni, kuzabantu basekwalanga, abantu bakude, uthi isibindi sakhe siyaphela eli ngoku umuntu apha kuthiwa baye nqaka Ayanda jonga amanqine egusha bepha last week nalast sisi Ayanda. Hayi mntanam, abantu bayazi umuntu ephele efuna undipha lithi no my love, this is your business. Bonke nasemnqambulweni bayamfuna back, umuntu ufuna undipha lithi no lena andifuna bengafuni into bona, ndifuna imali, bangafuni into umthanje ndifuna ukupha mine, but no my dear, lena apha njengoba wezimali wene-customers. I enjoy it. I love it.
Maybe uqaliswe into interest into enikwenza ukuba mawuqale wenze lento, because alifuna uxoxa yona into because okokuqala Ayanda bendimazi ngokuya, and then boom, now sisenze enye into ngoko, like uke wanqabela after umkile. Okay,
episodes like focusing on other stuff, like doing behind the scenes. So even though because I'm not so comfortable, I'm so used to cameras, lights. So in the phone they tell by my no for there's okay, that's the Harry that got to vlog. That's an influencer. Can't see then I brought up my number in Thailand. About number can do so with time that even the voice of a sponsor, like a quirky.
So
yeah, I and I enjoy it. I love it. Wow. So let's hope one day I keep brand some more of the spice.
Konoyithatha serious le vlog yakho nena ucinga uba ngaluncedo olunjani onoludinga la kuyithatha ise-TV neziba so chill usithi ufuna ukulanda.
It's someone there, Opa. It's a connection because they know the idea. They know it's literally public. But I don't even have to write a proposal. No, not even. I can even do a page because I love doing that. But it's just finding the right person at the right time to give me that show. Again, now I
Yabo ufuna angitshela
Ongusisibhuti.
but ayisasebenzi kodwa loo nto kwensuku.
Ayisebenzi tu. Ayisebenzi. I think it's time now ngoku abantu bafuna bheka television, bafuna bheka TV. I think it's also time for me to go back. Bayekile abanye abantu base TV bayadlala pha badakasa. I think mandize manje ba challenge nje kancinci.
Ubabone.
The real talent.
Kama ubuyele TV nepi lanozi TV show wakhona jonga ndi Emile Leyang.
Ayikho. Is that
Kone.
the guy EP and the producer.
Oh wow.
Ayikho too. I remember I wanted for the longest time to do a music show. Or live amp and Club 808. Because I love artists. I love interviewing up and coming artists. I think like the Lindias are live lumsam when a platform like businesses is a I live on that. Yeah, because if I interview like an established person, yes, it's late for them just to talk about the latest music, but I'm sure you know they are hungry and they will give you the best interview.
That's true.
Wow. No, not taking a lot.
Sanani uhamba naye guys.
You're not talking a lot. Okay, now awuna ilanto ka yona kuyijonge yona acting nentontone awukayiphanga ngoku.
Oh yes, there's something I'm working on. I got the scripts, but I can't talk about it. So
Hey, unemfihlo man. Unemfihlo man.
ifana nomuntu lepha kum.
Uyafihla. Oh! Hey! Ungayithi vu.
Bani.
Uzezi ya.
I'm not a home wrecker. I am not to never go nine cherry. And I'm like, I think one of you said there. It's my last week. I know the chap this. My name is Hayenda Mercuzing. But we'll look at the side when I'm on Baga Airlines on a lady Yabanabant and we got Amazon Waswapa. And then we don't more now on the telephone tatters and girls was best. I about being going. Yeah, what it was. I came back and took. I am more Hey, we are for Hectic 99. We are Peter Hectic 99. I am more
ayona movie.
Hectic 99. Laga no songs ngo. Laga no nuts.
Oh my
God. Yo, I'm going to destroy the car, son. Not what I'm more, my sweetheart. Yo, you may have to sign get a boat. Are you call? I'm the cloud ambassador. Man, wait, man, I want to know my shop. I watch it. I would go, hey, Babu, yes, Apple so funny. I watch it.
Yo.
Kabazan.
Okay, I have few more questions.
Yes.
I have few more questions as Pumakobanyabantu. The first one is, what's your take on queer visibility and activism?
I love it. I think what we're doing right now and the platforms that we are on, you guys having us, that's visibility. This is activism already. Having a person like me to be here on this platform, it's already an awareness. It's already activism. Sometimes you don't have to have a play card. We human right, equal rights. No, sometimes it's the Science City. You must be who you are.
Okay.
Live your true self every single day, 24/7. Never have a chance of being way off. No. I love it. I think about who are young, be who you are. If you are struggling to come out, email me. You're able to email me. Contact me on social media. It's very cool because the serious email me.
Okay.
The business, corporate, honey. So I love it. And kudos to all those who are quite active on the socials. I'm proud. I see you guys. Keep on doing it. I get
the second one. How do you support and uplift other queer individuals?
How do I support? By as I said, and I'm getting the platform. I'm here. If they want guidance, I'm here. And sometimes I get invited to quick dialogues, quick conversations to have. You come into Zabo. I'm there to support them. So I'm always there and willing to help.
How do you do that? Like, support your own support?
Sometimes
Uhlala phansi kanye.
not even financially, because sometimes that's not money. Umntu needs your attention sometimes. They need your kindness. They need your love. They need your support. Kukhumbula wena ne abanye abantu basoka ifamily ezingafuni nix bathi lo satanism. Uyaxoxa lokhu satanism. Unaba naye ukhule edlala undize, pha undize kaloku yefetch umuntu oyithini. Enkwengo before enkwengo befetchan. Satanism. So abanye abantu come we unkind families. So when they come to you, banika la attention. Njengenqini age section, there are so many queers. Hey, uthi ngimaphuzeni lo. Beware. My dad used to fight for me in small rain. But like I'm proud there. When I sit at the school. Sit at the school. Oh my god, cause TV be adverse chicken licking. E wala etrana ba khona mna.
Hey.
Adverse chicken licking. You move into the suburbs and left us so chicken. This is the best you will find. You haven't tried this. Good dialysis. They are YouTube. 5 chicken licking commercials. So that part like a clipper. I'll mention the amount of money. It was 150,000 rand. Ako din ako.
Oh wow.
But I say 5 commercials. 5 minimum. I should. I'm 150,000 rand from one commercial, not just the 5s on 5.
Wow.
And then I was also in the Jamison ad. I see. Yeah. Oh, that kind of food. Yeah, when I saw it, me being there is also my visibility. Yeah, when I do not have any messages I get on Facebook from the Abantu who have graduated, Abantu who work in government, in corporate, who are at a high position in their workplaces. But Ayanda, thank you. I came up because of you. Like, you know, when I'm ill, Ayanda would watch you healed me. I became their doctors. I became the psychologist. Just me being there, it was for them a safe space for them. That moment, the science city be kind to a person because we don't know what they're going through. But yeah, ekhayeni uAyanda makhuzeni iyathandwa. Sihleli sonke ngo 4 o'clock simukelo Ayanda. Umuntu akaboni movie, ubona italent, ubona umuntu onwabile eTV. So yabona ke usakhumbuzo ngapha yana, yabona uliyolo ngapha ya. Yabendle. Babamthanda lo muntu. So nami ke bengiqalisa uziveza. So when I applaud and I thank you guys. Sometimes I also need as messages to remind me of the impact I had in our community. Remember, I'm the first openly gay presenter on kids television.
Easy.
Yes.
Wesenkulu kanje unyanisile.
Abanye abantu notata wena ndiyathanda mama ekhave anethola hlobo. Yes man, man. So you talk to me.
Why is all defensive?
I'm a
It's about how sugar date. You're like,
but then more than 1920. I'm gonna rookie I but piece of
yeah.
I'm not playing some down now.
Não tô.
I am my wife.
Você ainda tá usando singapim. Tá usando over 50. Tu vai botar packing ou só late time. Hausa no kasamza.
Hey, so today is on drugs. The H. What went on? What
I need when I got Tyler. Yeah, but it's something like 29, 22. No, put on Tyler. Oh, Tyler, I don't know what is
Go so like TV idiots. Can you be able to highlight or not?
Highlights. I haven't yet. And then for man. Because I know there's one to come.
So I'm going to reach.
I'm going to reach my chum, when I chichi. I'm going to reach my yan. And not that I'm ungrateful. I'm grateful for the platforms I was given. But I'm going to reach Lando Twa. Ayanda. Yabole. My friends yabona ngama bayimoto zoyiqhuba.
Oh wow.
Yabona yabona ubona rich like unaza highlight. I think now manje bethe xwaka bafuna balentile mina ke wona ithi
Okay. Baphewe space ngwe.
bamanye abatsha bakhona abanye basadaka sapha but balindele uAyanda Makhuzeni, and I promise you that you will know of it the moment. So Ayanda, you'll go back to this podcast. We've been hey chill la ndoya. Ichongi tu ngoklat.
Yes.
Kama nina namba ya kade msapha.
That's
Because for it drink. Who's this?
You need to speak so well now. I like learning njelothetha ngayo ngawo.
Yeah.
You're so positive.
And what I like kakhulu, okay, I'm not a gay guy, ne? But
Yeah, lie.
what undangele?
Lie, yeah, support.
Yeah.
You have a gay friend?
No.
Why not? Akasho naye.
Oh,
Zawukhule naye.
no, anan like dikhulele inyanga.
You has been nyanga.
Zininzi zikhona gate said ayikhulele khona. Zikhona. But sasifunda nazo. Kwindawo esiba kuzo ziba khona. So we
Awuzaba ke usinalo umuntu
like man, yeah, but so yonke into siyenza, but eyona nto ndiyithanda yi-one. Mabenza into bayayenza.
Ewe.
Asozibabone kuthiwa
Once you put your mind onto something,
By example.
yeah. This one's
emsebenzini basenesuku.
understand abantu bayabasiqashi. I mean, we'll take your brand. We'll take this brand from here. We will be the transportation. It will go there.
Wow.
It's true. Tina, who would you do?
And
Once you put your mind, you get into a room full of executives, and you guys have to close a deal that will take you to bring light into this darkness. Once again, like say, where's the contract? Who's this guy? I love this human being. What are you saying? This sign.
Deal.
Deal is done. Wow. Okay, the last one. This is the last one. So what's your message to those struggling with their identity?
My message to those who are struggling with their identity. Be kind to yourself. Be kind. Your time will come. Explore and don't look out there and hear all the chaos and the noise and stuff. Just be kind to your heart. Because a lot of sometimes it'll cause a depression because you're not happy. Happiness, it's so important. Happiness makes the world go around. Happiness brings in money. Happiness brings in success. So you, by not being kind to your identity and you're struggling, we as Bambezelo, like also, there will be no progression. So be kind to yourself. Allow yourself. Uyeke ngolo, uyeke abanye abantu uthina uDapso, uthina uMakaso, uthina uMalubo, uthina umuntu ositratweni, uthina bona bablock wena. It's your health, eh? Impilo yakho le.
Wow.
Yes. That's unwabile.
Okay. Before we see Violet, do you have something to say?
No, benomdla malandoza profi anothi noba advice noba into na benifuna ukwazi ba wakho wahlanda phansi wayicinga ilandoza yovula iclasses for ilandoza incedisa abantwana abanomdla for upresenter like kwabayicinga uvula iclasses ke mhlu bafunda
Bethanda uqashwa for this e-training. I remember I was also there's myself, Katlego my boy, and Nothando Match, and Graham. No, the later comes.
Okay.
I said today now presenters, and I remember we had Kuhle Adams.
Okay.
Really well.
Wow, I work with Kuhle, think first TV show I can make Kukut, roughing it out. So I'm sure that's wrong.
Anyway, she came to the academy, and so I trained that part, and also at CPT, it kept on TV. Olwando Zulu, but these are hype it up. So I get called in to come and train and facilitate laundry DSI. So I'm always open for such things. It can be even like not also just presenting, like to be public speakers and how to overcome your shyness and to be confident in front of 10,000 people watching.
wakho wayicinga kuhlala
And collab.
Okay. So what's next for you?
Next for me is for this brand to be right there. There's a lot.
Can't wait.
You guys khumbula ngizobuya ngenye indlela embi.
Uyapheka. You are cooking something.
Yes, my God.
Gigi. Uyotyaphi ngoku?
Ziwatyaphi ngoku. Ndifunya emathumbeni son. Inyoro. Yes,
Simali nyoro.
But yeah, ndiyakhona but now uzoqala emcimbini. Xa ndibuya kule nto ndiyakuya and then ndiyojonga abafana. Boys are delicious.
Oh my God.
Okay, lena ke obukuyo ngoku i-New Wave podcast kasenzele a closing link. New
Wave.
New NU, which is New Wave podcast. New Wave podcast ikhona ku Facebook na ku YouTube. So siyacela abantu ba subscribe and then abanye abantu ke ba join i-membership ikhona phayane. So ziyashiyana ukho i-silver bekho i-gold. So mhlawumbe ungavala wena.
Okay.
Wow.
All right, so everybody, it's a wrap of the New Wave podcast. So don't forget to let your people know, your friends, your exes, your currents, your neighbors, to like, to comment and subscribe, and even to join in our membership, because we'd love to see you guys commenting, doing that thing right there. Spread the good word. Spread the good word out there. Let them know. New Wave podcast. We will be back same time, same place, with a different guest.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Sibandeka kanjalo.
Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Yeah. From deep conversations to the latest trends. Yeah. Won't you join us on this journey where the wave never ends? It's inspirational, yeah. Educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The gold and the best in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. It's a new wave. It's inspirationally, educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The best and the gold in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. Catch a new wave, yeah.